So this is part 2 of financial mathematics, grade 10 exam type questions. And today we're going to be talking about the exchange rate. So as you can see, we are given a table here, and it is the US dollar and the exchange rate against the rand, and then the pound from England, and then the exchange rate against the rand. So the question says, George, a visitor from England, so he's from England, he saw an industrial textile machine on sale for $6,000, $6,800. This machine will be suitable for his business back at home. Where is home? England. Now, the cost for a similar machine in England is 4,600 pounds. So 6,800 was in dollars. The one back at home is 4,600. So he wants to know which country will be cost effective for buying the machine. So to determine the true value of these machines, or the true costs of these machines, you have to find a currency that will form some sort of a middle ground. In other words, you want to determine the cost, the real costs of these machines using one currency. And in this instance, either you can use the rand or you can use the pound because it's from England. So we know, okay, sharp, if this person is buying locally from where he's from, England, he has to pay 4,800. Now, for the US machine, how much does the machine cost in pounds? That's what we want to determine, because it's going to be easier for him to compare in pounds. So the first thing you can do is, because they've given us the exchange rate, take the 6,800, right, and multiply it by 16.24. And this is how much the machine costs in rands. Now, if you want to get the value in pounds, you take this amount in rands and then you divide it by 27.63. Then your final answer will be 3,996.82. So this means that the US machine in pounds costs 3,996.82. So it's cheaper for him to get the machine from US than it will be for him to get it locally, right? So that answers 2.1. 2.2, to install an outdoor pool will cost you 800 pounds in England. How much will it cost you to install a pool of the same capacity in South Africa? So you say 800 pounds times, it's 26, or is it 27? 27.63. And then to install the same machine, or to install the pool of the same capacity, it will cost you 22,104 rands, right? And then you are done.